Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about application of integrations. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to graph about this one and this one. About 3x squared minus number 3, that should be like this. Two x plus 5, that should be like this. So I will need to extend about this one a little bit, going here and here. So we need to find the intersection in here. So we have y and y. So we have 2x plus y plus 5 equals to 3x squared minus number 3. So I will put this one go to the right, number 5 go to the right. So we have 3x squared minus 2x, negative number 5, negative number 3, we have negative number 8. And now we can find the solutions of s. So we got about s equals to number 2 and s equals to negative 4 over 3. So this one, that is about number 2. So because the question they want to find the area from 0 to number 3, so number 3 should be in here. So we need to focus about this area in here. And the next one, so we can apply the formula in here. The integration from 0 to number 2. So we can use about the upper function minus the lower function. The upper function, that is about this one going here. The lower function, that is about this one. So we have 2x plus number 5 minus about 3x squared minus number 3. And the next one, we have the integration from number 2 to number 3. This one, that is about the lower function. This one, that is about the upper function. So that we put like this. Now we simplify this one. So this one, we have negative 3x squared. 2x we put in here. Number 5 minus negative number 3, we have positive number 8. And the next one, that is about this one. And now we sum two value in here. The integration of 3x squared, that is about x to the power of 3. The next one, that is about x squared. The next one, that is about 8x. And we put the powers from 0 to number 2. And the next one, So I will put number 2 gone here, number 0 gone here. So we have number 12. This one we calculate, so we put number 3 gone here, number 2 gone here. So we have number 6, and that is about 18. This is the end. Thank you for watching.